How to freeze a video frame on CapCut PC and save it as image. What is up everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys quickly how you can freeze a frame on CapCut PC. For this, you need to import a video where you want to freeze the frame. So as you can see here, I've got this normal video where an F1 car does donuts. So let's say if I want to freeze it somewhere right around here where it's uh, a bit clear. So let me just zoom in. This looks quite good. So what I'm going to do here is use my right arrow or left arrow on my keyboard to get a perfect frame. And once you get the picture that you want, what you can do is select the video clip and then click on this option called freeze. What it does is it will create a freeze frame on this particular frame, and then you can adjust the length of the freeze frame. Typically it's around 5 seconds. So if I play the video right here, when it reaches freeze, it freezes the frame right here for a few seconds and continues with the video. Now, in order to download the freeze frame, what you can do is click on these three lines that you see up on the player, and then you have an option to choose the frame first. Click on the three lines and you have an option to export still frames. Click on it. You can select where you want to export it. You can name your still frame, and then you can just go ahead and choose the resolution as well, and as well as the picture format. And once that's done, click on export, and you should be able to export the freeze still frame. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.